Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to back up and restore your WhatsApp messages on an Android phone. Let's begin by backing up your messages. Open WhatsApp on your phone. Look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see three dots. Tap on them. Now tap on Settings from the list that appears. Inside the settings, choose Chats. Scroll down and tap on Chat Backup. This is where you can manage all your backup options. First, you need to choose the Google account where you want your backup to be saved. If you haven't added one before, you can sign in with your Gmail account here. Next, you'll see a section called Automatic Backups. Tap it, and then choose how often you want WhatsApp to back up your messages. You can select daily, weekly, or monthly. If you don't want it to back up automatically, you can choose Only when I tap back up. There's also an option to include videos in your backup. If you want to save videos too, make sure to turn that on. Once everything is set, just tap the Backup button. WhatsApp will now start saving your messages and media to your Google account. Depending on the size of your data and your internet speed, this process might take a few minutes. Now let's move on to restoring your messages. Start by opening WhatsApp. You'll be asked to agree to the terms and continue. Tap on Agree and Continue. Next, you'll need to enter the phone number you used before. Make sure it's the same number connected to your backup. After verifying your number, WhatsApp will check if there's a backup saved in your Google account. If a backup is found, you'll see a screen asking if you want to restore your chats and media. Just tap on the Restore button and wait for the process to finish. Once the restore is done, tap Next. Your chats will appear, and WhatsApp will continue restoring your media files in the background. And that's all you need to do to back up and restore your WhatsApp messages on Android. Thanks for watching.